It's been a hard time. I don't know how I'm still alive. But finally, I'm back. Oh gosh, I miss this so much. Wife, I'm home. Come on, hand my stuff over there. Give me a love hug. I'm so tired. What? Is this on my head? Or is this real happening? Not at my house, please. Not at my house. Okay, I have to face it. I have to buy my daily dose. I can't live without it. Okay, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm not gonna watch any bird. I'm not gonna hear any bird noise. Oh, what? Snapcream is making skateboards? Hell yeah, nigga! Oh man, they are real.
Good evening. Hello, what do you want, sir? What do you want?
No, yo, me just watching around, just
Okay,
only
okay,
watching,
okay.
only watching.
Okay.
How much is it?
How much? Alright. Take it here. Take it. 1, 2, 3. €3.
Listen, I'm coming home. Strange things are happening. Be prepared, please. I don't wanna be... They are all over the place. I'm going crazy. I can handle so much. It's their fault. It's not mine. It's their fault. Oh, it's their fucking fault. It's the fault of my wife. It's the fault of my sons. And I'm gonna kill them all. It's the fault of my wife. It's the fault of my sons. And I'm gonna kill them all. Y ya está. Y ahí se acaba.
Oh my god, no. Why are you doing this? Why? Ah, 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 ah.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily